I need to publicly apologize to anyone who has bought a crazy clean from my video because I lied. Yes, it's true your toilet bowl will no longer have stains or scale. And yes, it's true that you won't have to scrub your toilet anymore. And yes, it's true that you only need one capsule for each toilet and it lasts 10 years. But here's what I need to apologize for. I said it was a new product, but I actually invented this product 30 years ago, and I kept it to myself. I made it for my own home, my own toilets. I just didn't want to scrub anymore. I honestly didn't know how many people would want this. I didn't realize everyone hated scrubbing their toilet as much as I did. One tablet in your tank. Hydromineral magnets deactivate the water that goes into the tank, preventing it from causing stains and scale in the bowl. It works on hard water, well water, and any toilet with a tank. And yes, it's true that it's 100% chemical-free and safe for your pets. I've had 30 years of clean toilets without lifting a finger. You deserve the same. So let me make it up to you. Get Crazy Clean for up to 37% off. One tablet. Never scrub again. Guaranteed. Get up to 37% off today.